At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you.
I don't have nothing more.
What kind of dirty style that?
This alone me have.
Yo, give me money. Give me money. Yo, you sure say everything that in your pocket?
Everything that.
Alto. Don't act funny, you need my money. Don't come back, go keep that dummy. What you got, don't need that honey. Keep that dummy, keep that dummy. Don't act funny, you need my money. Don't come back, go keep that dummy. What you got, don't need that honey. Keep that dummy, keep that dummy. Iced tea chillin', sit back and recline. Keep bad vibes on your side of the line. Don't call my phone, yeah, I'm doing fine. Look at the time, run with the lime. What you got? I don't need, I don't want it. What I got? You know me, I'm a flaunted. Who you got? Ain't no me, they don't got it. La 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 la.
Alright, Dane.
Hmm?
So it has been a couple months since I left school, right?
Mm-hmm.
And like, when I see I make no move towards anything, so I wonder if you did a plan for the college still.
Me decide say, yo, me not gonna know college.
What do you mean?
That make no sense. Why me I go take up myself, go to college for 7 years, and then start work for somebody? That don't make sense. Me want to get some fast money. You understand?
What is fast money, Dane?
Where you think fast money mean?
Me don't know, so me ask her what is fast
It means say me get money fast. Me not waste no time. I work like me a slave, and me not get good money. Like for example, you know. You ever think about the work where you do? Much money you get paid. Garbage money. You better if you just take the money and dash away, cause it don't make no sense. And you live in a mummy house. So
Right, about mommy, we live in our house. And she need to stop giving money now because you stop going to school. So you need to play your part. I mean, I understand what you mean by fast money. You mean legally, right?
listen to me now. If mummy want to give me money, me can't tell her no. If she want to give me money, she have to give me it. You understand? So until me find a way to get some fast money, just go and relax yourself.
You hear yourself? I feel like you're not thinking straight because this is not only about mommy giving you money. We live in our house. She work our ass off to make sure that we go through school and have what we need. She still I put out our best to make sure that we are eat and we are adult. Mommy need to live a little day and you don't understand. After we turn now to make sure that she good, mommy need to go out. Maybe, find one little man or something. She need to live. We see mommy suffer too.
Me don't want to hear that. Me don't want to hear that. If mommy want, me no business if mommy want to get one man, As long as you no care in the house, yeah. Because me and man in the house, yeah. Okay? And if you want to decide, say, you don't want to take no money from her, I do not care. Better for me, because me probably will get more money from her. You understand? So, if you don't have no else to talk to me about what can make sense, and if it's not about money, I do not want to hear nothing from you. You understand?
So you basically say you don't care.
I do not care. All I care about is money. You understand? It's either get rich or die trying. You understand?
Your mentality messed up. And oh yeah, look upon things is not right. And I can't believe you don't care about the woman and nurture you for 19 years.
You see, you know, you try to put words in my mouth. I did not say that I do not love mommy, All I'm saying, I put money first, then God, then mommy, and then you. You understand?
Literally the same. But it's fine, you know. Hopefully you don't do nothing stupid if you get the fast money we you need. Okay, Dane?
See you now. Me not like a mentality. You just mash up my meds right now, you know. Yo, me I go up on the road, you know.
Maureen. Wake up, man. You know me idea wait for you know.
You take too long to come, you know. Me tired and I want to go me yard.
I don't know the traffic there on the road, but I've been meaning to talk to you, you know. Try a complaint, say you know vacuuming car good. Or something like that. Every time you come here you say you know vacuuming car good. What's going on?
You believe that? Out of every vehicle when I wash, I want somebody complain to you. What you think? You see that dirty car there? That the car there? It don't know the whole of the little liquid soap you give me. A 10 vehicle me dey have to wash, you know. And I hit take the most soap. Me vacuum out that the foul cube there. That no car. It come like I want foul cube like him a raise foul in a hit.
Oh, okay, alright.
In the dirt.
Listen,
hey,
listen,
in the
listen.
dirty, in the dirty.
Listen,
A big
listen.
garbage me I take out. It come like a living man living there so.
Listen to me now, man.
Whole
Listen,
clothes
left-
and kind of sitting.
Here what? I go owe you 1.5, you know. You understand? Because I don't know the thing pine down a little bit. Because we have to buy back some stuff and something. You understand? But question, you're a little boy there, him just left school, right?
Good while now, yeah.
So why am I do?
Nah, do nothing for yourself, you know.
Nah, do nothing. So him just there the yard there?
I walk up and down with some strange friend who I don't know from nowhere.
But since that's we need somebody else, you know. We need somebody for to wash a car them. So why not have him come up here and work?
Well, I'm not sure if I'm going to come in a bossy, but maybe talk to him about it.
I mean, he can make something of himself, you know. Working at this car washing, man. You know, young talents. We always looking for young talents, you know.
Bossy, let me tell you something. You see all the man that we have complained to you about in that dirty vehicle there?
Listen to me,
Eh?
man. Left that alone.
All eggshell me see in there, like him man a cook in there, foul feather in there. You understand what I say? You don't see me did phone you and tell us some more some emerald. The sitting then done, pan that the vehicle, them, everything, more side gone pan, everything done pan. Me can't bother.
Alright, me I go run.
I don't know you know how long me wait for you.
Alright, no worries, sir, man. So tomorrow early, you come
You
in
can't
early.
lend more 5 bills. When I say 5 bills, you know what that mean. I don't mean $500, you know what I mean?
No, man. Me not have no more money, man. I the last $10,000 I give. You understand? So the rest of the money I have to go buy back product and so. But come in early tomorrow
Alright.
and carry the boy with you.
Me try and I never promise the same I come in cause theme style different.
What up, moves?
If I them in there, good boy.
No, some of there, we just come from up your house, but why? You know what I say? I think I want to wait to make some money quick, cause right now, my sister told me some if I find one work, but I know I don't want to work no 9 to 5, and I want some fast money.
All right. Look, we know your father for a long time. We know Daniel, I want some soldier, you know.
And done.
Fast money.
Mm,
George Flash.
George Flash.
Yeah, man. We get some soldier. So if you can come in, come give him a talk, and money can make fast money.
Mm,
Mm.
I never hear about him before.
I want Dan, man. Out of the front they come from, man. Real Dan.
I'm around half the place.
I'm gonna have a place. Anything he say goes.
Which one me can find him?
No, just be honest, for the front, the front, they drink at the time and out for the front.
Up at shop.
Yeah, out of the shop.
That sound good, but you're sure saying he might make money?
Man, I make real money, man. If you don't have the money for your car wrong, real money, them man, I pull down. If you want some good soldier for the royal, you know, I say go.
Alright, then I go give him a link.
Do you have to do?
Yeah, man, respect, you know.
Yeah, man.
But how I do right now?
You know, so them there going to hold them boy, I can't man, you know, that again. I can really work with that, but to hold I know, if you left the younger soldier, that if you get some soldier for him, that's when I come check you.
Boy, I'm tired. Jesus, you couldn't go make me the bag heavy.
Yeah, you could have text me.
My phone did dead. That's why I not call you. If you see the heap of work what me do today. For this long time I force me see so much vehicle come out of car wash. Me vacuum, me do all kind of sitting. Jesus Christ, all the emerald did done me have to wait all long before the boss send somebody with the come give me. Me tired, so too. Lord have mercy.
Mommy, I know, say. But do you want to talk to you about something but like based on where you see me feel like it's just like a situation or
No man, you can't talk to me man, I'm your mother, you know. What you mean? I'm me if you talk to.
somebody that talk to Dane, because you know the plan was to go to college after high school, right?
Mm-hmm.
Apparently he changed his mind. Yeah.
What you mean?
Him say him not going to see how it makes sense. He just want some fast money.
Fast money. Like what? You go rob
I
people,
don't
people
know.
place or what?
I don't know. Hopefully that's not what he's thinking.
Go and talk. I don't understand that part there, but go and talk.
Somebody said to him, so we need to like get it together so we can help you out, you know, because obviously I got you a lot. But he saying don't care, he just want some fast money. I'm enough to say about nothing to him. So me no know.
What you mean when you say insane don't care? Me not understanding. Me,
Well, not that he not care about
you
you,
know, see me all days yeah. The tone when me raise. In a me old age, me still at work. What you saying say? No, me need to talk to him. Me need to talk to him.
Me
You know how hard me and the son at work today? Me wish you ended it. If I have to pass the walls or something, give me. Or if you help shine down the vehicle them. What you mean? You might do a fast money you want. Like how people get fast money.
me ask
And then a work feet. Me not understand. When they call him?
I don't know where Dane is. He say no one work him now work a 95 and my money when me I work at garbage.
Here you are. Your honest money where you work. A garbage. Something wrong. I wonder if they hold behind. Because I never used to think them the kind of negative way they. You not understand what I said to you?
Me wonder if he caught up with the wrong crowd.
All that again, in kind of bad company. Me not understand this.
Me just want Dane getting head straight because the plan was to help you. You know, I know that he changed his mind. I don't know what got me.
So what you said to me? Only you alone have love for your mother. And
No,
you
mommy,
have business with
no,
me.
that's
Him no business with me none at all. That you had say.
no one of that me say him just
You
no
know,
one
that
put it.
to what you said to me, me no bother want hear nothing. But you just said to me when you want fast money, it's like in gone in a some wrongdoing or something. That mean you know business when me a think
Mommy,
or
me
how me
never see
feel, you
that
know,
thing.
love me then. Are you want love me? Business if you say it, me for my brain all of that.
No, you
And when
can't.
you think, you can't tell me when fit
You
in.
cannot assume that. Me just make you understand, say, I change a plan for him, so maybe you can just talk to him and find out which part in your headspace.
Then
there.
if you are for him, sister, and you can't talk to him, him a go listen to me?
Yes, maybe, me no know. Just try.
Remember me tell you before, say, I want to talk to him, but he not have to listen to me.
No, you
But
not
you
happy.
say, he can tell me the same thing. What me I go do? Me not go kill myself.
Just know, say, me never say him not love you and me never say him not care about you. Just like the situation in a really business for like, go out there and put in the work. Him just want fast money.
Me can't tell him if he do me, I go can encourage him and kind of discourage him from the foolishness them way I'm think.
Okay.
I encourage him to do good things. Me tired. Me want to carry this to me.
Alright, we
Yes.
cook, so you can just share.
You cook? So Dane eat before he leave?
Me not sure. I'm not sure.
Anyway, my whole are fresh. Pass me hot.
What I'm going to mention now?
Yeah, David.
I know, see, you don't know me.
No know your papa. Where you come from?
You know, say, I right up the road I come from, I don't know if you know my mother.
Mm.
Maureen.
Maureen.
The man, she work out at a car wash.
Probably.
Yeah, boy. But my name Dane schools, but me hear say you I done.
What?
And you I done for
Brother, no make them think they come out of your mouth, man. You talk about Dan,
no
brother.
man in a 4
You see me there so easy, myself, man, I come call me Dan to backside, yo.
No man in a 4 man. Me and no police or nothing like that.
No, brother, me just a regular man, just there, going easy, you see me?
Alright.
Mm.
I don't know if you have no work or because yes, you say you know you done, but you say you need a couple soldiers
Mm.
to work for you.
So, yeah, I said.
Why, boss, you want some money, you know, some fast money. Right now, me don't like a poor life, you know, and it look like my sister wants to stay like you. Me don't
Brother.
like it none at all.
Yo, hear me or something? I don't know, joke thing this, you know. You know, you feel like you can just run out and get something, so a whole power work you have to put in, you know.
What kind of work? Me ready, you know?
Someone asks me what kind of work. See, the right now you start sherms out the thing already, dog.
No, man. Alright,
You see me?
let me make you understand. Me no want to go no school, you know, me no like school. And right now, my family look like they want to make me work out the rest of my life. We still living in one board house, you know. So that's why me I talk about make money fast. So, anything you want me do, I'm ready for do it as long as money involved.
So you say you can do
We can't do anything, boss.
anything.
Anything.
Alright. But you know, say this come a role for loyalty. You see me?
Mhm.
For fast money you want, a fast money we can make right now. You see me? I'm just a easy hustle. But yeah, what, with every risk, you gotta have some reward.
Mhm.
As well as you can go the other way. You see me?
I understand, man.
But we always get the rewards, you don't have to worry yourself. So just follow my lead, you see me? You want something to drink?
No, man, I can't take something for drink, man.
Alright, just tell the bartender to give you some. Everything good, man.
Alright.
You see me?
Rose. What going on, mommy?
That's that thing.
See you cook?
No, me not cooking about your sister cook. You hungry?
Why? She love to put too much sugar in her food, you know, so I mean like to eat her cooking, you know. But me eat it still, cause me just a come off the road and me not eat nothing.
Hold on there. I want me to hear you say, you dey try to involve in what kind of fast money you dey talk about? How you want to make fast money? Eh? I hope I not nothing wrong you dey try to put yourself in, you know. Because, listen to me, my son. I don't quarrel with you, you know, I just talk me when you understand me. The only fast money me know say a person can get, unless, because remember they not work. You not working, me attack you. The only fast money me know people can get so fast, and them not working, unless them plan to go broke people place, rob whatever. You understand me? Or go do, you know me attack, the other thing. And I hope you not put yourself in a them something there, you know.
Mommy, listen to me. First thing, Shanice chat too much because I don't know why she come to you and I full up her head of things. All I was saying to her is that I don't think it is the right option for me to go to college and then spend so much time there and then I go have to come back and work for people and get minimum wage. When you think about this, you know, mommy, remember saying, you know, Shanice left college, you know, and she still a pay for her student loan. You understand? And look what type of work she do. She not get no good money. I mean, not be disrespectful to her and say she not work her hard working money, you know. But at the end of the day, she not really make no money. So I am just thinking of some way that I can make some money quicker. Look for you, mommy. Remember say I care what she are working. Look for daddy. Remember say I gardening work I do, you know. I stay at people yard that take care of us. So me no want plan say me I go to school or me I go just get one regular work and me not get good money. That don't make sense. So I'm just thinking of a way where I can make money quick. Like for example, me dey on social media and me see some things like drop shipping crypto and then like investing. Like me just I think I want way quicker. You understand? When me can use my money more wiser. You understand me? So you not have to worry yourself, man. You know your son. He not do nothing bad.
Well, if you say no nothing bad you go do, it up to you. But me go hope and pray. You listen to what me say. Because I notice for a long time say you not listen. You just go ahead and do anything your mind tell you. And so you go.
I think I want we have to get some fast money.
Fast money. You still up on the fast money talking.
Mommy, that I only option
Which
fast.
money come fast where you work hard for? You know, see how long you have to take to get paid when you work for it.
That's why I mean if
So how that they want this so fast?
you can get some money fast, don't worry yourself, mommy. When me find it, me tell you. Don't worry yourself. We soon left out of poverty life, you know, but me will eat some of my food, you know. Yeah, so later, mommy.
Yes, Mr. Williams. We're sorting out your check, sir. I promise it's on the way. It's on the way, sir. Yes. Of course. Just a moment. My supervisor is here, okay?
Tell upon bad man.
There, man. Man.
They upon the work, man. You see me, one client I go and leave with that thing, you see me. But man give me like a hard time still, that's it. But me not to deal with him, man. What you say upon?
Me there for work, man.
You there? Alright, watch your style now.
Ready to make some money.
Hold this a phone. See
Yeah.
number at top.
Yeah.
You want make you call him and tell them, say, yeah, the packages are coming out. Zine?
Yeah.
And the 2025 Benz is on the way. Cool?
Alright.
No, say not.
So where client name?
You can. Mr. Williams.
Mr. Williams?
Yeah. So, hold on.
Hello? Mr. Williams. Yes, sir. I was just speaking to my supervisor, right? And he's going to give you a call. Absolutely, I promise that Benz is on the way. Yes, sir. And tomorrow we'll be celebrating with you. Okay, sir. Give me a call as soon as you speak to my supervisor, okay? Okay.
Yeah, man, so just do the right thing, you know.
Alright,
See?
I call him. So me need to change my voice on him?
Them bad man, you don't sound like a foreigner.
Up to this man,
The first time I do it, you know, you have to understand.
Make sure so you don't lose the thing, dog.
Alright, no worries,
We
sir.
depend on the food, you know.
Alright. Yes, Mr. Williams. Yes, this is Mr. Johnson's secretary speaking.
To make sure so you don't spoil up this, you know, cause I don't know me count on the food, you know.
I do understand your frustration. You don't have to worry. We are going to get you your 2025 Benz. Do not worry. And do not worry, sir. I do understand your frustrations. You will get your vehicle. And don't worry too, you will be getting a cash prize. But you just have to do a few things for me first. I'm going to need you to send a cash deposit to an account of $500 US. Yes, I do understand. My supervisor is here too. I do understand what you're saying. My supervisor here. You can even speak to him and you can understand some more clarifications and stuff you need to do.
Hello? Yes, congratulations, Mr. Williams. Yes, I'm so happy for you, sir. Right, you were just speaking to my subordinate, right? And before him, it was the person on the floor. But that's good. We're so happy. You know, this 2025 Benz, it's a beautiful car. I'm looking at it right now, and I can tell you're gonna absolutely love this car. Right? What did he just tell you? Oh, you're supposed to pay some money, right? Yeah, just some basic fees, you know, because we don't want to touch your check. You know, we want to see all those zeros on your check. Absolutely. All right. So, we'll give you a call in the morning when the car is on the way, right? And your check. Be prepared. Make sure that you have on your best suit, you know, whatever you like, because we're gonna take lots of photos for the media. Okay? You take care now.
Yeah, brother, that's how I think they would
Yeah, man.
Bingo, dog.
Yeah, man. But don't worry. So what about the other numbers them? What me for do call them?
No man, I'm so deal with that man. You see for your little change in brother. That's for your 50 day, you know. You see me? Give me my phone. Yeah, come on, you have my client.
That's the Maureen. Boy, Jano. I'm glad say boy. If I do one time here, you know, sit down beside one another, say have a civil conversation. You know, so what time change. One other time we could sit down and talk, so you know, well, kinda appreciate it, say, you know. Yeah man. So what you say now?
You know, call you up on the phone, you know. How long me they call you to talk to you and you not have no time to have a conversation about your son?
You know what kind of work I do already? I hardly carry the old piece of banger phone. I don't have a good phone. Zine? A caretaker work I do here, sir. And not even my place. And I have to clean up the people else who come. I'm busy, I have to clean up the place all the while. Just keep it intact. Think one of the people them throw me out. You know my situation already, man. I not carry phone with me all the while. What you say happen now?
You need to talk to your son. Our son. But me go address it another way, you know. You need to speak to your son. Me alone, they do it too long. Me no say you no give him nothing, you know. But you know the give part go with me and you already. Me no want to say when you feel like you might feel one way bad, but you know it go already. Only sometimes you give me one little money fee.
God, man.
Nobody and food and whatever.
Alright, nobody kill me with it no
Me
man.
not kill her with it. Me just need you to talk to him because you saw him pitting no grow with them father around them. I pressure them on him mother alone. And then feel like I say, true, the woman is not a man. Then feel say they not feel listen.
He reach adult stage and you still a customer.
What you mean?
Just
He need
talk,
to
just-
come go on next school, to come get little skill or get something, to go do something proper in a life. Me no understand where I go on with him. He say nah, going have nothing to do with no more school again and something. Me no understand. And him need some fast money business. Me no
Fast money?
Yes, you have to go ask him why I talk about because me don't know. Me no know when they talk. Him say that. So you need to talk to him. Have one good, proper conversation with him. Question him and ask him what he want in a real life because me think I don't want to say I waste my time with him, you know, because I'm a child, you know. But me can't take this foolishness no more. And me alone, they talk. So you just look for me like one little piece of saffas, throw me a woman. Yeah, me and mother, but you need to talk to him as a father. Maybe we listen to you.
Me I gotta talk to him. Me I talk to him. Just tell me when they and them stuff that me just try find him and go deal with him.
Listen to me now. First of all, the car wash where me a work, they need somebody. Me mention it to him. Him no want go.
For
Me
what?
no
Go wash
wash
car?
no car.
Well,
Because them there's something there and no film style. Me
Look
the
here.
pan want fast going and a fast money me
me
want.
not agree with the fast thing, and me not really disagree with the car wash thing because me don't know. Me not really like, well, left school and go wash car. I be friend them a go laugh and find man them thing.
Okay. Stick up in, you have a pint, but listen to this.
Mm.
He no want do nothing at all. And he sit down and depend on me, also him sister. Remember, him not working. Out of a wash car, although he left school, he do much his subject until he get something better in a real life. Then they chat about fast money. Look more friend this no man police come call you and then sit they say if you come bail him or me no know. When catch.
Me I go see what I mean by
Which
fast
one you prefer?
money. No. The fast money thing is a no.
So
I disagree with that.
Time come up a car wash, go and help me wash the
But
car them and collect him
Me
one
not,
honest
listen,
money.
if you say I go wash car, sometimes you get in a system and you can't come out. I don't too disagree more. I really want him start this up. But maybe talk to him, man. Just understand though.
Alright. Just talk to him.
Yeah, man, I go deal with him, man. So just like you get the film now. Turn it the other way, the kind of close go there.
Alright.
Alright.
Daddy, wait upon. Wait, you say?
Where you there?
You know, so me just a come from up the road, me so reach home, but me there out a Vivian cook shop.
All right. Yeah, wait, though. Stop right there, so. Stop right there, so.
Oh,
Stop right there, cook shop.
Oh,
Let's stop at the cook shop. Let's stop at the cook shop, no, man.
Alright, me there out your sorry.
All right.
Alright.
Well, go on. What we commit now, man?
I happy.
Boss, man, I tell you, say, foot, give me how much time I have to tell you, man?
Since when the foot start out?
Oh, forget, I know, I never tell you. Why I reach bad, you know, man, and I come mention word to me, doctor, about amputate. I say, we are talking about? No, man.
They want to cut off your foot?
I talk about possibility for this, that, but we know that. Anyway.
Boy, I tell you, I beer them, you know, daddy. I beer them, boy, I drink for a long time, you know.
No, man, they say beer make your blood circulate good, man. And on the beer, no blame me upon that. Anyway. Your mother come check me, you know. Yeah, man.
You and she in agree for a long time.
She alright, man, but what you do with your life? What you do with your life?
What you talking about, daddy?
What mean by what I talk about? What you plan on doing? What you do?
Same talk, man.
What? What you say?
I talked to mommy already about this, you know.
That's
and I don't understand why she come to you, because I don't really want to repeat myself, you know, but I'm going to try to keep it simple and short and sweet. I tell mommy, say, yo, I want to turn niche. I want to turn rich. I want to become a millionaire quick. I don't want to waste no time. I go to college for 7 years. Then afterwards, I have to work for somebody. Then I have to build up clientele and all of that garbage. And then by time in 10 years, that is when I can probably start my own business. I'll probably be still at work for the same person. I get minimum wage. How much for minimum wage again? 16,000?
You reach way down there, say no. I don't even hear nothing, understand what you talk about. One year Mish.
Daddy.
Eh?
Probably you don't understand.
I don't understand. I understand. Break it down.
I want term where we use. I mean rich. I mean become a boss.
But you can gradually become boss. You can gradually come work and become boss. You go to school, your mother send you go to school. She take care of you. And then now me hear all this talk. Wait, me not fully understand, but it not sound like a something good to me. I get rich something or something.
Daddy,
And what happens?
Daddy, stop running up your pressure. Don't worry yourself, man. In a few months' time, you're going to see me rich. You're going to see me buy a house. You're going to see me buy a car. Just relax, man.
Jesus Christ, one of the young people, man.
Daddy, stop worrying your head, man.
I not say worry, but if your mother come to me, she not come to me that much, you know. And if she come to me and worry, that must something.
Daddy, listen to
Me
me.
not educated like Uno. Zin, a garden work me do and take care of place. And who get the opportunity to do certain things and your mother if you come to me and you tap your class and them something there. At least that me know. And if you go further education and do things and then all this little nonsense me and hear and so forth.
Daddy,
no man,
Daddy,
wise up man.
Daddy, just be grateful. Say, yo, me nah do no badness or none of this.
I don't say no. But as me say, for your mother come to me and know something good. I may not fully understand everything, as me say. So I must be a reason.
Daddy, alright. Me gonna say me can make some fast money, some quick money, but me not have to worry myself. Alright, look on this, please. You know, say mommy a come to me and I tell me say, yo, me forget I want work, I can't wash where she a work. And if you tell her the truth, that don't make sense, no? You really think so me if I take up myself, go work for somebody a wash car every single day,
I don't
and
agree.
I get a little bit of money, so?
No, I don't agree with that. Because
Right
sometimes
now,
you're in a system and you can't come out like that. Next thing, 5-6 years time you still a wash car. I don't disagree with that.
that not gonna make no sense. Look
So,
at mommy.
me get your
barely
word.
make no money, you know?
So everything where you tell me, everything is okay?
Yes, Daddy.
You sure?
Yes.
And nothing illegal or nothing, everything good?
No.
You sure, boss?
Daddy, you look like me, I do not illegal, you know me.
Alright. I that me want to make sure upon you know. Me don't want your name a call. Because I'm not going to say me, but she mostly grow you. So we don't no embarrassment, boss. Alright, boss? We good?
Yeah, man.
And that me want to talk to you about.
Know yourself, man.
Alright?
Yeah.
So you're good?
Yeah, man, me good, man. Me just come off the road.
Alright.
I know some work me there, you know.
Alright, that good, man. So we're up on the right page, then. We don't have nothing to worry about. We good?
Yeah, man, not for yourself.
Alright.
But there, man, because right now I'm going.
I'm sure I kill up ourselves, but anyway. For you say we're good, we good.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Look,
Hold on.
you
Help
want
me.
help?
Yeah, man. Help me up, man. Help me up. Help me.
Put your hand round. Put your hand round me.
Help me up. Ah, Jesus.
Why daddy you need to lose some weight, man? No, tell no lie. Go on, sis. Go sit down your story. You look like you're tired, man.
I'm tired.
So head up on.
Me that check it something I'm saying and pay light bill.
The light bill won't pay. So some why mummy not pay?
What you mean? What? Me not gonna argue with you, Dane. Me not gonna argue with you.
What me say?
No, it's fine.
Listen to me, you know, me have to save my money, you know. Me have
So
to
you
save
don't
my...
mind, you don't mind if you like cut off thing?
Me nah say me want to like cut out, but me have to save my money for invest it. So only go and do now for do for pay bills them. And make me go and save up some money for make we get money. You understand?
So we are investing in?
What do you mean when me are investing now?
We are investing in?
Listen to me. May I do my investment in silence. While man a plan, God a wipe. You
So
understand?
you're not trust me?
No.
Why?
Next year you see how much money me I make and then you want to spend it and do 40-inch bus done.
Me not like how that sound because we in this together. Since when you look for me like that?
Sis, when people see money, you know, they get corrupt, you know.
So like you are gonna get corrupt. But it's fine, eh? Pay it, the time don't gone for you pay it online already, so
What is for?
you like bill, you go put the rest.
So how much you like bills, sir?
4 or 5. And I me pay it last time.
A little bit of money this man.
You know, that's why me I get 2 and you go put the 2-5.
Alright, here what? Me I go take this for myself. Or you just find some more money if you pay for your light bill.
Dane, no, give me my money. Give me my money. You see how me haul myself coming here? I tired. When you sit down here, so I sit down and I think go up and make fast money. Me out there I try to make it.
Listen to me.
Don't ramp with me, give me my money.
Listen to me now, sis.
Give me my money.
Me I go invest this. You understand?
Me look
Yeah, money for
me look at $20,000 can't invest in nothing, give me my money.
Listen to me now, man. You have money for go to work?
See, I will like that.
Alright, me give you $2,000. Hold this. Me take your rest and me go and invest it. Hold it. Hold the money.
Me not gonna argue with you now. Me honestly not gonna argue with you.
So me go invest the rest of this. Or you just go and relax, yeah? Yeah.
Something wrong with my brother. Something awful wrong with my brother. He's not my brother. You're not Dane. Want me to you?
What do you mean warm to me?
Give me my money. He's not my brother. Me I talk to you sometime and I feel like me I talk to a complete stranger. Something wrong with you, Dane? Something wrong with you? What do you? Give me my money.
Me I give you $2,000 so you can go and relax yourself and me tell you say go and go find the rest of the money if you pay your light bill.
Right, because if you go out there, work my ass off, come back and give you all of my money and you decide how much you want to give me. That makes sense.
Yes.
Yeah, that makes sense. Give me my money, Dane.
Sis, me need to count and make sure so me know how much money I come in our house. You understand? And you know what? Me I go take some of my money, you know, and me I go pay half of the light bill. But me I go...
So who I go pay the rest? I can't, mommy I expect to pay the rest?
She don't live in our house. Oh.
Give me money. Alright, you see, because mommy not grow with up.
I true because me no little man, you know. I am my sister, you know. Oh.
Just give me my money.
Sis, me need to make sure so me keep an account for all our money we pass through in our house. I make sure so me decide what is important and what is not important. So stuff like light bill, JPS now cut that off to around month 10. So them can go and wait. You understand? And if current gone, we can just take off a piece of wire and get some current from Jerry and thief some current. At Jamaica we live, you know. A bush we there, you know. Stop going, some man.
I don't feel like me I hear you clearly or
Sis, since when you don't love money?
Not touch me.
Since when you don't love money?
Me not gonna argue with you in a day, me not gonna argue with you, yeah? Me not gonna argue with you.
That's why I can't deal with you more while, you know, because you don't understand how important money is. Money is water.
I go home with my money and I ask him if he pay the light bill, right? So I take out $2,000 for give me. I know say Dane grab the whole of money out of me and I'm not going to tell me say I not have none to get out of it. You need to talk to him because I don't understand.
I don't understand him. He no say I look fast money. So how comes he take out money out of light bill money? I don't understand. And what you mean you not have none to get? I don't understand. What you and him have?
Well, me and Dane have money. I go to him and ask him about the light bill and I say him with the money because I take out $2,000 to give him. The boy take my money and say him going to use it towards him investments.
Investment? Why they invest in?
I don't know. He refused to tell me.
Wait.
You can't leave now.
Wait, me soon finish. You know, say I done. Me can't leave. It's something them so, you know. Because you don't know for my boss, you know.
Mommy, you need to talk to them.
First of all, my boss tell me say, he not really hire a woman. So you see the little job what I get? Me have to try keep it. I don't know what she boss them and everything already. I have to clean up back is something. I want him to fire me. And then I come sit down there with Uno. With your worthless brother where I chat about he want fast money and they invest in a what? He have land. Yeah, house.
Yeah, more of my help because mom me need to talk to
Me
them.
tired,
now,
thank you.
come on,
You can't
mama.
just finish up right there, so me tired, thank you very much. Boy, already me did that song ready, I know if it come down. Jesus, me thank you very much. Me go and take up your Dane, why you take with Shanice money and about you go pay a light bill? Are you work for it? Are yours?
Yes, sir, mama.
You're deaf.
Yes, sir.
So me for repeat back myself, come here, idiot. Okay. Dane, me say, why you take with your sister money and they tell her about you go people go pay a light bill and you know you're not going to pay no light bill. Are you work for it?
Since when they turning farmer?
Since more money.
Mommy, I want a little $20,000.
Here you are. You work $1,000. Look here. As she work for it, she willing to get up out of the house and go work. You want sit down and receive fast money, as you say. So she must go work and you just take her money and go use it like a yours.
Mommy, I want a little $20,000. And me I go pay the light bill. Me never say me not go pay the light bill, no, me I go pay. Although JPS can wait still, you know.
Hey, oi. See you start your foolishness there. A matter of fact, let me ask you one question. You ever pay a light bill in here before? You know shame, big old ass steering boy like your sister fi go work fi carry money come in here fi go do for your own business and you take it say you go pay a light bill. You're a liar that we don't believe
Mommy,
you.
I where
Just
she
give
go
her-
I where she dey go waste the money. She dey go drink you,
So
eat
hold
you
on
out
there.
and do whatever she want.
Eh.
Listen up, man.
Jesus.
Me I make sure say me deal with how the money supposed to deal with. Me I go invest it, plus me I go pay when need for pay. You understand? And the money they already done, you know. Me already invest here and me I go pay when need for pay. You understand? So she not have nothing to get back. And me I give her money, you know. Me I give her some of my money, you know, for deal with what she need for deal with, for go to work and do whatever she want to do. She don't want the money. I work, you know. I no chicken, me a jerk.
So you
Me I do trading.
Yeah.
You ever heard of trading, mommy? Listen, man. Just listen to me, mommy. In a 2 weeks time, you get the money. The money they go double, triple, quadruple. You don't want to live lavish life?
Dane, remember say I no fear money. I fear money you say you invest in.
Mommy, it is our money. Anything will come in our house when it comes to money, it is mine, yours, and hers.
Me not understand how my little $20,000 can do so much things.
They can't do nothing, but me I go put in what I need for put. I'm work it out.
Dane, let me get my money.
Me's a hustler, you know. Oh.
I don't believe in, no, but listen this. Me no need this to get escalate and blow out a proportion. You understand? So you said 2 weeks. So me dey wait pan the 2 weeks for you give back your sister the money with interest.
Mommy, you can make me not lend Dane no money.
Me know you not lend him.
So what you mean?
I mean I take off for nobody. But him saying invest in a something, me don't know what it is. Me just want to figure out why invest in her, or if a line they tell me just give him the 2 weeks and then we will find out.
So you not ask me if me alright with that? You
No,
tell him.
me know you're not alright. Me know.
Where you
But
invest the money in at the end?
Girl, I'm sorry. I don't want to disrespect you. Remember, say I'm my sister. Sis, me I go deal with the money good. You understand? Remember, say me I go have to invest in a silence, you know. Me don't want to jinx the money.
How me go reach your work? This no make no sense, you know?
Mommy, just give her $2,000 so she can relax herself. Me know say you believe me, you know. Me know say you believe me and you know say your son a good youth and he go do the right thing. You must say me I go take
me
you out
not
of
believe
poverty.
you. Stop it. Stop right there, son. Me not believe you, but true, me don't want the argument in the house because the money is not yours. You don't have no right to take your sister money, but you're going to invest. I know for you. Where you invest in her? I don't know, but you invest in a silence. Me sorry for you. Anyway, you see true, me can't take it problem. Me can't take it problem and me no want to talking. She have to go up.
$2,000.
Give you $1,000 out there. After you take her 20,000.
Just give me 1,000.
No, hold on there. Your response to give me back that $2,000 a year.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
not for free.
Yeah, no.
So you greedy for money or what this man?
Only $2,000 can come and go work and make me eat food.
Me know, so you can't do it, but if the rest of the week, me will try and find him.
Just give me, it's fine.
Stop going, sir.
You see where your cost?
Mommy.
You see where your cost? I see where you see it and no wonder why the people in my road that talk about you. You see where your cost, sake of money.
Mommy.
You and your sister in a problem now, sake of money, and the $2,000 when me have, you make me have to take out to give her.
Mommy.
Me now have to go find other money if you go give her if you go work in a week. You see it too bad, man. Tough and take
Mommy,
people things.
I'm
that
here
are
to take
yours.
you out of poverty, you know. Yes, this is Mr. Wilson speaking. I understand, sir. Do not worry, Mr. Daniel. You will be getting your package soon, but you will have to send some additional fees of $200. Yes, I do understand your frustration, but you have to send some money first before you can get your package. Give me 1 minute, my secretary is speaking to me. Yes, Miss Gwen.
Dane.
Give me 1 second, my secretary is speaking to me.
Are the fast money this? Eh?
What you have to sneak up on me for?
No, are the fast money this?
Jesus Christ. You're cool, no, man.
Okay, so wait, if we be prepared for police and run up and down in our yard anytime soon.
You gonna call police?
No, but your crooked ways are gonna make them know.
Oh, easy, no, man. I work, you know.
Oh, this is a job. This better than 195.
Listen to me, man. I make money, you know. I use him once I forget I work. Listen to me. One client, you know. I'm turning a niche, you know. So can take you out of a poor life, you know.
You're big and lazy and your mindset is very small. It's very small.
You know, say you love for disrespect, man. I mean not disrespect you. You need to relax.
I feel disappointed. Just imagine how Mama would have feel.
Mommy don't need to know. You gonna tell her?
No, but you are gonna tell her.
Why me gonna tell her?
Because she deserve to know the truth. Why you throw? Me not understand you know why you throw away your future.
Shanice.
How much subject you have?
Me have 8 subjects.
And this you qualify for do? What is wrong with you?
It's part of the job description. So listen to me. We so can live in a mansion. Me so can buy you one little drive for yourself. Mommy.
Mommy don't want nothing from you. She wants honest money. This is not honest money. You're lying, you're stealing.
Money is money.
Oh.
It is going to do the same thing. It doesn't matter. Every money is dirty money.
You understand how much people are dead over fast money? Eh? All because they don't have the patience for go out there and put in the work. The time when you're there is to convince people for sending money and you could have out there and make honest money. You have 8 subjects. There's so much way you can do.
Listen to me. Right now, you know, $1,000 me just so I'm gonna make, you know. If you just chat to somebody for
it doesn't matter. It don't matter. You not make honest money and it's all gonna come back to you. It gonna come back in and I mean now wish you bad. I promise you, but it not gonna turn out good either.
Sis, I'm not going to waste my time working for somebody.
Fine, I mean now waste my time and listen to none of this no more. You are gonna tell mommy this because you are that. You are that.
I'm not tell nobody nothing.
You have to tell her.
Listen to me, no, man. No police or nothing I go find out. Me not there on a bag of man a scam. Me are there by myself.
Alright, so you're the home every day. When you start drive the Benz like what you say, where you gonna tell them so you get money from? Or you gonna wash your money?
What you say about that? When the time come, it come.
Fine.
Time coming up.
Then, me not have nothing more to say to you now. I have nothing more to say to you. God go with you.
Need to talk
God
to
go
client.
with you.
Yes. Yes, Miss Jen.
Where's that going on now, Flash?
Rotted. Yeah, David.
Come on, man, I'm sitting for you, my G. I'm boss right this time now.
What does that look so?
A 2,000, you know.
2,000.
Yeah.
There's no 5 forgive me.
My boss, you know, say one little mishap. It go on and I never did even want to rain. I just try to see if I can give you this.
You know, say a joke out one thing. One thing in a Jonah. You ever shot man money, you know. You see me?
Yo, Flash, and I really short, you know, I just have one little thing go down, man, when me never
your
plan.
problem that man, that's not my problem. Bad man, how you depend, man?
I never something
Your
plan.
time is money, you know, man, and it feel like you waste my time for you most of it, man. You see me?
Yo, Flash.
You depend, Shane.
Wagwan.
You depend, me, General.
There you go and easy, man, you see me? This man carrying some food, go and short the food again, you see me?
Yeah.
That can't work.
You can probably give him little time still.
Time? Brother, me just tell him say time is money and him waste my time. You can't approve me them thing you go on. You get what I say?
Me understand.
You have to handle business.
True that still, but I can probably give him little time, man.
Flash!
I say you deal with the thing, brother.
Flash, you never have to do this!
You relax yourself, man.
You never have to do this!
You're top nice, brother.
You never have to do this, but General. You never have to do this, man. You never have to do this.
You sure saying good?
In my brain, that's true. Good, man.
He probably need to go to hospital.
Yo, I'm gonna need my funds by next week. You see me, I say, bad man. Left the place, man. You see me at all. Alright. So me I say now, we need you to go check Yaggy. Tell him say 20,000 a week every Friday, 5 o'clock. Zin?
You sure say I'm good?
Yo, make him know say every Friday, 5 o'clock. You need a food. And if you not do so, we are gonna do so.
Boss, I must say, me tell her that there's some mother work there. Me can't extort him, man.
So, what taking on this affair? Use that one, hold the bag, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so that are yours, you see me? But like this one, so everything good.
Boss, me don't know if you use them.
I'm gonna say, when you go to work, man, just pull. That's it. That's it. But do the right thing now. Remember say you say you want the life and fast life, you know, man. I'm telling you, man. Man, I sure out the thing again, brother. Because there's some money for me, so I'm going to easy.
Me make some call to them, man. Me make 1,000 US already, man.
1,000 US.
Yeah, man, I just...
Brother, hot paper them, you know that.
No, man, me...
You're not supposed to chop less than 50 grand for one client, you know, brother. I'm telling you, man.
Me ever get some more money.
You need to put in the work, dog. They say until then, just go page at them man, they are making you run off food. That's it. Because we're hungry in idea, you know, so I want to braff a little more.
Alright, boss.
You see me?
Yeah,
man. Tough up yourself, man. I want to soft out on the things, brother.
Yeah, man. Little more.
Little more, my general.
You never know, so I say a thing grimy.
Thing up.
Where you come from?
I work. Listen to me. Just give me what else in your pocket.
What you mean? You forgot to say your mother work for me?
Listen to me. Don't make your thing get grimy, you know. Me send you by Dan Flash. You know who that?
What you mean you sent by Dan Flash? What? Dan Flash? Who is Dan Flash?
Listen to me. The part of the hyena gang. So if Dan send me, get a calico piece of food because you wash your car and you pay your dues.
But me and me build up my shop. I'm not supposed to pay no dues to nobody.
Exactly. You don't want to fill with turf.
Turf? Listen to me, young man.
the best to do is you come off from my premises. Here, remember, say me know your mother and your mother work for me now. Just come off from my premises. But dues, I'm not supposed to pay.
Yo, listen to me, your last chance this now. Don't make me do this.
Last chance, what are you talking about?
Yo.
Hold on.
Yo, don't make me do this, brother.
Listen to me. There's a better way we can deal with this, you know.
Yo.
Please, not.
Shut up, man. Just give me what you have in your pocket. Don't make me do this, brother. Yo, big old man like yourself, you a piece of yourself, brother.
Look, me don't have nothing more.
What kind of dirty style that?
This alone, me have.
Yo, give me money. Yo, you sure say everything that?
Everything that.
Yo, just remember say this did not happen, you know. Anytime when nobody come here with part of high in the gang, you make sure you give your dues. Yeah.
Alright,
then come on.
Morning.
You know what? I think say me wanna go do what I do, you know.
What do you mean?
You know what to say. You see, sometimes when you're too good to people, sometimes it can be a good thing and it can be a bad thing. You see me? Because I know you for so long. Maureen, long time I know you.
What you talk about, bossy? What you talk about? Fire me? You don't want me work no more with you, that you say?
You hear me I say no? A long time I know you. And you never disrespect me yet and I never disrespect you yet. But you have a youth there. And right now police me should have get involved in this, you know.
You know what?
Police me should have get involved in this, but you me know you, Maureen. I say me left it alone. Your son robbed me, you know.
My son? Rob you, see me boss.
Listen to me.
Oh Jesus.
I dead, me could have dead.
What you mean?
He's a part of the hyena gang. And because the boss around there send him to come extort me. Big old like Glock 17 the boy I walk with, you know. Maureen, me nervous. Right now, I don't want to done them and they get involved again. I say, no, I'm just call it a day and call it a loss. But you see, you, God know, Maureen, me want to stay far from you right now. I tell you the truth. I just want to go and do my thing and just, you see me? So just, sorry. Because your boy, I could have dead. Just talk to him. That's all I can tell you if you do. Talk to your son. Because if you don't talk to him, Maureen, serious thing going to happen, you know. I can somebody else, you know, man, and somebody else can take a thing to a different level, you know. And then you see a man go ball and say your son is innocent. When your son out there I do badness, Maureen, talk to your boy. You hear me say, Maureen? Because guess what? Because of your boy, you know, man can come run in for you and you get involved, you know, and your daughter innocently. Maureen, as I say, I want to do my thing. Because I'll say.
So, bossy, you can just give me a chance, please. Because
No.
I have no other work to do.
Maureen, as much as I love you and respect you, I don't want to get involved.
Well,
I could have dead on the Papa News because of your boy.
I'm sorry about
Maureen,
everything.
just go on, man. I want to do my thing, man.
Sorry about that. I never know saying involved in them there's something there.
I not want nobody else to work for me.
I can't take this no more. Where the end? I can't take it no more and you have to go come out of my place. Him have to come out of my place today, yeah. Not even one more night he not sleep in here.
How me day in a day, what for me?
He gone again?
Me not come see him, I'm come from work. Talk to me now, mommy.
Sit down right here, son. That's right now, me afraid. Me afraid for me to tell you when do when involve in her. And the neighbor then here and come take it tell me.
What him do, mommy?
Right now, me lose my job.
How?
Fake a Dane. This boy go up on my boss business place and go stick him up. My boss say, my son come up, they come hold Glock on him, big old. Me not even know when he say something another 17. Me can't even call the word. I don't know what kind of 17, but I want Glock on a 17 and no else they pan it.
Mommy, that not sound like Dane. Why Dane would do that? Me not understand.
Me da ask you the same. I don't know either. And them the kind of dirty lifestyle they in love. And that's why in down here they chat about he want go live easy life. Forget easy money. Easy come, easy go. Why no want work? You see if a son go stay, he not go stay in my place no more.
What you mean? You gonna put him out?
He have to come out. Little more from this thing come stick up it while we are mad.
Mommy, breathe. Just... So, oh, you know, say Dane do that for real? That
Him
not sound
do
like
it.
Dane. But oh, you know...
Me know my boss. Good. Although the first time when me go there, him tell me say him never work with no woman yet. No woman never used to work there. A pure man he get to come work there. But when he see how me work, the first time when me go there to go work, he make me continue and that's why me did it until now. Today now, me lose my job sake and me own a child when me carry in a yasso for 9 months. So I dem a crosses and me bring pan the earth fi come shame me. He have to go come out of my place. Him have to come out of my place.
You can't make anger get the best of you, you know.
What you mean me can't make anger get the best of me?
And the anger this attack.
What you mean? Anger, yes, me hungry because the one little job what me have. Remember saying I work failed me, you know. And you have to give me one little change on one again, you know. And you're a young girl, and I know say you have your business them to take care and you want to save little money. That's why you see me still working for me all days, yeah. Me shouldn't even work, you should take care of me. This boy go stick up me boss. Which boss I go have mercy upon nobody? Where them pick me can't stick them up.
Calm down.
You have to come out.
Dane scam, but me not think Dane...
Wait, what? What you say? What you say?
Yeah, me catch him one time at scam somebody. Me don't know if it got you.
You catch him one time. I do that.
Me don't feel like you would have stick up nobody.
Hold on there. Stick up in. You catch your brother. They do such a thing and you never say to me until now.
Because me a try run from this. Me know.
So he lead from that they scamming sickness to robbery. So it a get worse and worse. A little more from this now me here saying church out in a middle road. Thief, 200. Then when they lead himself to. No more to in early grave. Where they say to me? Me not have to run him out. And that you try say?
Which party am I go?
I do not care. Before him doing wrongs them, he should have know. Don't make if me did know catch you, me love. That always come last. Me tired to talk to this boy. He no want go look no work. He no want no job, he want free. Look here. He not go stay in here.
Come on. Alto. Don't act funny, you need my money. Don't come back, go keep that dummy.
Wow, guy, what are they pan? Everything good? How do you look, sir?
What do you mean where we depend?
What are you going?
You don't know what I'm going?
Wanna cook?
You, come around here so to me. Come around here so to me. Come here so to me, boy. Come around here so.
So what is
you
for?
Feel set you you're a big man now. You have all right to do what you do.
Where you tell her now? Where you tell her now?
She not tell me nothing. She not tell me nothing. You love mix up your sister too much. Where the hell you gone up and my boss gonna stick him up with big old dirty Glock? You know must know so me I gonna lose my job. What kind of wickedness and curse is upon you so in a your life? Eh?
All that thing tell her?
A curse, a curse. I set then set you so. Then. A matter of fact, boy. Where you get offensive weapon from? Eh? Where you get it from? Where you get gun from? Cause you act like you don't know what I mean.
Mommy,
Where you get it from?
listen to me, no, man.
Who give it to you? Me know you're not working on no money to pay for it. Every minute you take away your sister money or for me money. Where you get offensive weapon from? Suppose
Mommy.
when police see you with it. Eh?
Listen to me, no, man. I work.
Work.
I get some money put back in a which part we live. So we can live some better life.
With gun. So you have certificate now, you're certified to walk with gun, go stick up people where do their honest job.
Mommy, listen, no,
And
man.
face your fiscal tree and no
Listen,
go
no,
prison.
man, listen. A rich badness in here, me know. Me have to do some badness to turn rich.
And where you want to stay and do the badness? Inna this? And one of them, the hoodlum, they just drop you off. Me see him already. More than one time
Mommy.
me see you and him.
Mommy,
but me
listen
never
now.
know say them the nastiness they mix up in there. You and the devil at work.
I little bike taxi man at work. What
And
kind
me
of
not seen collect no money from you. Me they watch you from you come there so. Me see you and him already. But me never know see you mix up in there them bang around you. Dane, look for me good as your mother. How where you dey take yourself done?
Shanice, start
really-
for her, no, man.
Take Shanice out of this. You have ambition, you not seen the work. Eh? Think about yourself now because I could have police call me, you know. This could have end up down a jail, you there, you know. I would have to come down, they come bail you. But let me tell you something.
Mommy, if me
You
go to
want
jail
to-
or somebody inform for me, I don't go to no jail.
Really?
For yourself.
Look at me the point. You see where me the point? You go have to come out of this. You not pay no bills in there and don't want to work about your fast money. Look on you too. No, but that's all.
Don't bother with the foolishness.
Me tired of you, they take up fame.
Me not take
And you know, she said this boy, the work for go in early grave. And we have to go
Yeah, but
turn up over grave, the ball like an idiot. Say of him when in life no value nothing.
listen.
You make me waste all my money. Pan you send your school. Get too much is subject and you come out and turn ass. Look at
Mommy, a long time I tell you, say, you save a little money so we can do some other things with you and you send me to school for the waste my time.
Stop act like you don't have no sense.
Yo, listen to me, no,
Which
man.
part you gonna go Dane? Where you gonna go?
Yo, listen to me, no, man. And me, I'm making most money in the house right now.
Take
You know?
up your things, them and go use the money where they make rent one place.
You see how much money we make?
Use-
No, listen, no. You see money the other day when me tell you, say, it would have come back in a 2 week seater. So, $5,000. All in money.
You need some of it.
And no
So
five. Oh, hello, me no want nothing from you. I dirty money that them the money they curse. Let me tell you, something, you never get it honestly. Who to tell if I know my boss you take away from when you stick him up and he don't tell me say you take away no money from him. You go tell me say you stick him up, but maybe you don't want to tell me. Kind of want me feel worse than how me feel when he tell me what you do. You make me lose my work. If you know me new.
So, I don't say, no,
Take
it
your
work.
things
money,
them out
no,
of my
man.
place.
Yo,
I don't want no
serious.
money from you. One with your dirty money. One
know-
with it.
You know what?
Dane, me can ask you one question.
What?
You really do it?
Do what?
You gonna stick up the money?
Listen to me.
Just yes or no.
I work, me I work. You understand? I work
Just
to get
come take
paid,
your-
you know.
Come take up your things them out of my place.
And me, I'm making most of money in the house now, you know. But don't worry yourself. Me I will come out of poverty, you can't see now. Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Yo! Hold on there, hold on. Hold on, Dane.
Yeah, man, and me.
What go on? How you doing so early?
There, man.
Can
Can
you
come
come
in?
in, man. Come in, man. How do you, man? I'm going like a stranger, man. Come sit down, man. What happened?
Oh, God, everything good?
Everything good, man. So a breeze blew you, sir.
Why? Be a problem with your daddy. Take a seat.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
Foot still give a problem.
Man, say no ease me up one bit, man.
But if you cut you off, man. That's the doctor you tell the other day, you know. But if I tell you.
Come like say you're a doctor, mad, man. Cut off my foot. You think me want to go see my dad with one foot? You want to go on, what you say?
Boy. No, so me I laugh and smile, but to be honest, daddy, I'm stressed out right now, you know.
What happened? So talk to me now, what happened?
You know, sir, me just a come in off the road. And mommy tell me, say, me have to come out of her house.
Just like that? Just come out? Me don't understand.
Why, daddy? Remember the other day they give me a talking to say, oh, I need to figure out what me I do.
Yeah.
I must tell her, say, mommy just a overreact and she never need to come to you, you know. I don't know what me, you know, I don't know if I maybe my sister, or I don't know if she probably tell mommy things, or me mommy just have something in her head would just say, oh, me just have to come out of her house to make my life better. I don't know, you know, but
She just get up and run you out, sir.
why, daddy? Right now, you know, my mindset different from them, you know.
So, hold on. So, when you close there and all them stuff there, what happened? Me don't understand. If she run you out of the house, you just come down and say, nah, nothing with you, what happened?
Daddy, me I tell you right now, you know, mommy can burn them clothes the feel like care, you know.
So, where you all get clothes from?
Me no buy some new clothes. Me I work, you know.
Yeah, work?
Yeah. Me I do investing.
Yeah. And you just have to buy new clothes just like that and
Yeah,
me
man,
not understand.
Daddy, me I tell you the truth, you know. Me not tell mommy, you know. But a long time me I save, you know.
So
before me left school, me I save some money, you know.
So what
Cause
making
remember, you know, man, remember say, the college money, you know, what she did say, me I go use that for go to college, you know. From when me say, oh, me not go to college with that, you know. So me I go use it to do other things. So the money when me have, me I invest it.
So
And me I
look
go
here.
buy some new clothes.
So maybe if I tell her all them sitting there and secret and then saying that wouldn't happen then, maybe she think nothing now go on for you. You should have make sure know, man.
Daddy.
Me not understand you.
I should not even tell you this, you know. Me I invest in a silence, you know.
What?
Me I invest in silence.
I force me to hear that. That's something good though.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you invest in a silence, your money will build up in a silence, if you understand what I mean.
You see what kind of work me do, so I don't have a clue what you talk about. But anyway, if I'm something good, you don't worry yourself. And the good thing is that me cook on my place, as you know. My shed run a back. But them people here, them are going to come. But in the meantime, space there, food round there, anything you want, wall a shower, anything. My place or your place, you know what I mean by that. So anytime you want, man, you just go around here and just deal with it, you deal with it. You're good, man.
But
But
no
no run
worry.
you out to have something if you can, don't worry about that. That's at least.
Yeah, but no worries, man. I'm not go there too long, you know. I just go and build up my money.
I mean, so I'm not put you out already, man. You know, so I know circumstance, I'm going to put you out. So, go and go help yourself, man. You're good, man. Go on.
Yeah, man. I ain't not for yourself, you know. I still take you out of the house, you know. I ain't not going to have to take care of people.
That sound too bad still, but trust me, man, that's some pain now with the leg. Go and go help yourself, man. How
Over there inside, we'll probably want to shower and thing, you know.
Alright.
Where's the food in there?
Everything did, man. How are yourself? Maureen? Yeah, man, what go on? Are we on there now? Eh? Hold on, man. Calm down. What you say? Him there here. Hold up. Scam. How you say to me? How much joke you make? Are your workplace? Who get fire? You get fire? Hold on, man. Hold on. Repeat for me there. Everything you said to me right now, actually attack? Dane? Wait, what? Hold on. Alright, hold on. Alright, you what? Me have to talk back to you. Me have to talk back to you, yeah? Me have to talk back to you. Just hang up the phone, man. Hang up the phone. Yo, Dane.
Yo. My fault.
Dane.
Yeah, me a fall.
Come here.
Hold on. What is
Hold on, man. Stand up, yourself. Stand up, yourself. What make you come down here?
But daddy, we just want to talk about that. Mommy run me out of the house.
What make you come down here, sir? What make you come here, sir, now? Let me mommy run out of the house. Look here. I might have pouring but me no teeth, you know. You have to come out of my house, you know. Me,
Daddy, you bipolar?
I mean bipolar. You have to go leave. Me just talk to your mother. It's a lie. You're a thief. Eh? And you're a scam too. Where you get something there from?
Daddy, just cool, no man.
I don't say cool nothing, man. Boss man, me not harbor them something enough in my place. You know that to youth. No, man, you have to come out, man. At least you don't come out with nothing, so at the end of the... Yo, make me stay right here, so. Put on your shoes and go on. Because my good thing is that you don't come here with nothing. So you leave here with nothing. Go on, man. You have to go. Come out of my place, boss, man.
So you really deal with me?
Just take what you come here with, which is your shoes, and you go on. Me not harbor no thief. Don't go in on my place, boss, man. Leave. Leave.
Alright, you know what? Everything good in a man.
Eh?
Just know, say, when me up on a different level, when you can't talk to me, you know. No worries, so, man. You gotta see me rise up, man.
Rise? The only rise you gonna rise. Let me drink and go on. The only rise you rise. Half of you dead and 3 days, must you go rise. I must see that rise that you talk about.
No worries, sir.
Continue that the part that you see what I'm to you.
Don't worry yourself, you know. When me rich, you know, you can't chat to me, you know.
It's alright.
Just know that, you know.
See door
No,
there.
see
Get there.
Don't worry yourself, man.
One man. Me no condone them thing there. Me no condone them thing there.
Done. You asleep?
Hey, rotted. Can't just creep up on me saying a bad man.
But, Flash.
The fun.
Yeah, I remember how you asleep.
Nah, sleep, brother. It's a whole of 5, is it?
Alright, but where the pan?
They are easy, man. Or you the pan? You a link me now, I go on.
Boy, you know, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Me just go from my yard and mother find out, say, yo, you send me for Page, car wash man. And she find out, say, me a scam with you and everything, so. She tell me, say, yo, me have to left out her house, you know.
A joke here, man. I easy one to fix things, man. I easy one to, yeah, mommy, fix things, man. Your mother that, you know, brother. She don't understand I know, you know, but once the paper start rolling, everything good, you know, me I tell her, you know. I go through it already, you know.
Right now, here with me I pray. I just left out her house, you know, cause me I try to make a plan to make we have a better life, you know, to come out of poverty, you know. Cause me say, get rich or die trying. And it look like them like a poverty life, you know. So here what me I go do, you know. See little money when me I make from when I say me can get a place for myself and probably get some new gears and something, you know, cause I left all of my old things them up there, so, you know. So I don't know if you can probably give me a thing or something, cause yeah, some money saved up, but you know, say we plans to the money already, you know, and we just want some more money for it.
Yo, you hear me I say? I give you a piece of food, you know. But I hold it for work, you have to go do now if you make up back for this, you know, brother.
But remember, Flash, your sister, me can't do your work. Remember, so me just want to go extorting man, you know. Me extorting man, and my mother lose her work because of it.
Yo, I saw the thing, like, brother. You see me? A part of the game. So, yo, you have to just make a money and now just go give money and make her know everything good. So, you see me?
Right now, I would give her a thing because me have money, you know, but here's the thing, you know, Flash. Me I give her money, you know, and you know look like she want it. Me I give my sister one money and she don't want it either. So right now, them are going to live in a poverty life forever, you know. So right now, my payments, I have to just get rich and move on.
It's a 75,000. Zane?
75?
Yeah.
So you could have never put a 5 on it?
I'm telling someone now, man. Brother, I never plan to spend 1,000 till I just give you 75,000, brother. I'm to you, man. Sure. Start out yourself, get a place and come on, man. Make your mother get a thing today, you see me? Do anything else you want. Tomorrow we dey on the work again. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Respect you, my general.
I see a word, man.
Yeah,
Do
man.
the right thing, you see it?
Yeah, man. I say I can't get one place close to you, so, because I don't
No, I don't want you too close to you, so find somewhere else.
Alright, boss, but
Yeah.
respect, you know.
So, yeah.
You link you.
Boy, I pass now. I say, boy, I have to come over here and talk to you. I'm glad I see you too. Boy, I tell you, I can't believe it. I never expect that. Because boy excel, look how you take care of him. The man go to school, top class, do everything. Every time he turn pan, people are come to me about it, you know. People are come to me about it. So disappointed, man.
Now you understand. When me they call you on the phone and I tell us if you can talk to him and see if he can change. All the time you're the band, me soon come on the business. May I come? I know you're not rich and me have to come find you.
I do well nice pass, man, but boy.
How fast are you going?
I don't know what you're supposed to know how.
Come over here, man. Come to see them and see you.
Alto. Don't act funny, you need my money. Don't come back, go keep that dummy. What you
Speak for the devil.
need that honey. Keep that dummy.
Boy, no, I'm following reunion. What is that, man? Yeah, man, I just bucky giant, you know. So I just come to check up on the family. I understand. I use Jamaican again, you know, as you can see. I don't know if money are blind, you know. But it's a fair piece of food when I owe you. You know what, auntie? Alright, big up yourself. Because you don't know your worth of money. Alright, that is a fair food, yeah.
Yo, as much as my foot want fixing up, I not taking that money.
Alright, that's why your foot will get cut off. And when I see you with 1 foot, you can't chat to me. Alright? Mommy. For 19 years, out of love, it's a fair food, yeah.
Me no want nothing from you.
Quite right, man.
Go on with your thief in money, me no know where you get it from. You come in here, smell an aisle. Come out of my yard.
Yeah,
Leave! Me not even know where you get that car there from. Eh? Drive your car, go that way there.
No
where
way.
you come from.
No way, sir.
No come back here, son. We no want nothing from you. You come up and give me that money. Look here, she look like she hungry. She a work her honest money. We no want them the kind of money, them the money they curse. Go on back with it. Anyway,
you see this?
look for you.
I don't know your worth of money, you know.
I know, but you know used to nothing. That's why you're being so. And nobody will have money like that. They have sense now. Show people and they go on to show off like you. Where you get it from? God, you know I don't want it. Me and wash from you. You is a worthless dirty boy. Come on to my place.
Yeah, embarrassment.
No worries, sir, money.
You're an embarrassment.
Yeah, man.
I show off
Embarrassment.
you come for show off for
You see
your
about
family
about
then.
this? When you
Is that
can't
right?
chat to me, you know.
Is
You hear
that
that?
right?
When you
No
can't
worries,
chat
Go on
to
with
me.
your money.
I
We
wish
not
you luck.
hungry.
You think
We
so
not
that-
hungry. Go
Big
on.
up on
That
yourself.
don't make me last forever, you know. That we done.
Big up on yourself. Alright, you know what?
You get it fast and
So
it will go
$100
done.
there.
Watch ya. Look on you too. I take if you contact, if I tell you where if you contact them up and do with them, you'll find out. Later on when you're asleep. In your sleep, you'll find out. Now come back in my place. Just drive and go on. Go on.
I know me I pray to get a piece of food right now. I'm there still. Yeah, I pray for doing idea.
Yo, I'm just going easy, my brother. You see me, but I watch and see because we're patient boy in the evening. Yeah, man.
Oh, this is right up on the back.
Flash! Flash!
I can't believe you put with you this day. After all of the talk to you, disappoint everybody over and over again. Just can't believe.
I never really expect someone would have come. I'm really sorry.
Why wouldn't come?
I'm really sorry because really and truly all I really didn't want. I just didn't want a better life for all the way. But it greed and money, it maybe get to my head. And I just wanted to know, say, if this is the last time I see you, I wanted to know, say I love you.
All right, my son. I understand everything. But I think you're learning lesson here now. So maybe you will change. With this way you go through, I not think. A matter of fact, I not believe say you're gonna have the heart again to make this happen to you again.
No.
You must learn your lesson. Although you do things where you're never supposed to do, and this happened to you, I think God will forgive you. And all of us forgive you as a family. But next time, when the devil lead you astray, you need to think first before you take that step, because we could have come on here say you're in the mad, but you are here still and you are still alive. Thank God. My son, you're not go dead. Just pray in your mind. If you don't feel like you talk, make the others a patient them here. Just pray in your mind. God answer prayer from far and near.
Thank you, Mommy.
I don't really want ball for you, know. But I can't hold it because the way you put me through, I did feel so sad and said I not come down here, but I can't hold back in tears. You're my only son and I love you dearly. Right now, I can't take it no more. I wish you all the best, son. And I'm going to pray for you. I'm going to pray for you. I'm going to heal in the name of Jesus. I can't stop from crying.
No, Mommy, I don't want to
Because you put me through a lot. You put me through a lot and I can't take it no more. You don't love me?
I love you, Mommy.
You don't love your mother?
I'm sorry, Mommy. I'm really sorry.
You're going to get well, my son. Don't worry yourself.
Yeah. Dane.
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, I'm going to pull through. Yeah, I'm going to pull through. I lecture you right here, so son, because you pull through. And right now, you lay down right here, so you have to go lay down and think about your life. You have to think about your life and no other way out, you know. The life where you are living, you know. You get a second chance now, my youth. You get a second chance. You have to go do the right thing. The life where you live, you see where it cause, as your mother said, I could have the mag who come down here and come identify you, you know. Your life in your hand, my youth. You have your whole life ahead of you. You can't run down certain things. We are talk to you, you know, we are your parent, we know where we are going, we see what going, you come up. We know a whole heap of things, brethren. So when we talk to you here, man, them lifestyle, brethren, no matter how it's pretty now, later on down the line, a problem. One way or other, catch up with you, just live a good life, my youth. Look on your mother and look on me. Would I never expect saying a million years with son. When I see her when you look a baby lay down and she on her breast still now and look on you, come look on you. You have to go do something, my youth. You have to pull through, lay down, think what you do in your life, my youth. Think what you do.
I promise that is said, I'm going to change and I just want each other to know, say, I love all three of them. And we'll never make money come between the love they ever again.
Bring peace and joy, let these memories stay. And this I know, to love her always.
Top shot is back.
Argon.
Bomba, the man even give me a doctor at it.
Honest, honest, I no respect you, my boss, but really and truly, after what happened to me, it made me take a deep look into myself, And she say how the life is not for me,
Brother, I can't one little flesh wound make you go and say. I soft yourself out again, brother. Eh?
I don't want a flesh wound that.
Brother, come on, man.
Me could have
Brother,
dead.
look how you there. Good. You walk out, check me, everything good. Nothing there. A
But
part of the game in the dog. Come to you, man.
over 1 month now,
Yeah. And you're there again, so we can do some road again, because I have some new thing to deal with,
You're not even going to check me in a hospital. You just left me on the ground.
Man, me want the police and to start watch out and pray. Remember, saying in hospital, I can look and see who I can check in. You see me? So I have to keep my distance. You know, so I say thing work, man. A different world we in, man. A different laws we go by, But it goes good, say you're there back here, so. I know we can mash some crime again.
No, I'm not upon that.
You're there upon that.
If you tell you the truth, I'm done. Honestly.
Yo.
I'm done with the life.
You know, say you ain't built for this, youth. You know, say you ain't built for this, Is what I talk about?
The life is not for me. This literally turned me into a different person. Create one rift in my family. And honestly, I them did the only person me did have when me get shot,
Yeah,
And
them
they,
if you have your family, them for their brother, want to you, man.
yeah, but me diss them and they never have to come. But they still love and care about me. So that's why, me just be respectful until I say, I'm done with the life, out of respect. So you know, see me on the road and me no heal you up or nothing. Me just make you know.
Yo, man, you know, say, when you left your son, brother, you're there on your own, Can't protect you again,
Me alright with that.
You're there on a different road by yourself, you get me? Yeah, so make everybody know, say, we no link again, is it? You get a pass.
Yeah, man, that me I do. I go back to school, so if anything respect still, so.
Big up yourself, man.
You're not front. Me not no weapon for me, you can't see.
So what is about? Me not have nothing more,
I don't know if you're here, but me get shot.
I thought you were dead. Because I saw it on Popeye News and the way you reported it, I thought you were dead. I thought it was a ghost coming just now.
I saw a vloggers them stay, man. They always be a different story. But Mr. Yaggy, me really want to apologize. Cause that happening to me almost upon my deathbed, it made me look into my heart and realize something I did do wrong. Because all I really want is just money. But as some people say, money is the root of all evil.
So, listen.
But hear me out first. I know say I don't deserve it. But I know say you maybe not have nobody at work for you right now. But if you're willing, I will work for you and you not even have to pay me. I just want to pay back the money when I take from you out in working. Until I go to college. Please, me I beg you, just give me a second chance.
You know what? I understand say you didn't want the fast money. I want the fast life. You never really know. Say it's a dangerous road. I've been down that road there before. I have my fair share of badness. But what? There's only two places I go bring you in. It's either in the cell or the cemetery. But you see, because your mother me always have love and respect for your mother. And your mother from me a little youth, your mother used to come wash the clothes for me and work for me and them something. When me I grow. So you understand? So yeah, we can't work here, but me go pay you just to stay.
I'm sorry again.
Listen, there's a second chance, man. Next time, man, you might not lucky if God put the bullet somewhere else. You understand? You might not lucky. So make sure you're on the right part this time. Yeah.
Thank you again.
All right.
Pray God, please help me live this day. Bring peace and joy, let these memories stay. And this I know, to love her always.
You want $2,000?
No, well, listen. Ask him back. Now, Javi, tell him, say, Mommy, let's give him $2,000 until the money comes.
Mommy, just give me $2,000 until the money comes.
Alright. And take your key.
Wait till her now.
What you mean?
If I don't want to be come over there and drape you up too.
Yo, wait tell Mommy, say.
What make you come down here?
I really need to come here.
You mean why we come to that? Maybe choose.
Pull on the cup.
Put the clothes up on my face, sir.
Well, you say you have one client and turn me a mish, you know.
One client would be like one giant turn me a mish.
Come on, so one client, no man, I'm turning a mish, you know. Well,
There's other way to this number.
Yo, tapping nice.
There's a better way to deal with this, you know, man. There's a better way to deal with this, you know. Ready now, an action.
Yo.
So get some water with my foot.
You want that?
Watch it, go back now, water there.
Just pray in your mind, God answer prayer from far and near.
Thank you, Mommy.
I don't really want ball for you, know. Because
Wait, you don't know about me. What kind of dirty style that? You don't know about me.
No matter me give 75,000.
No man, this have before.
That before.
That before. Alright. No, you can ask me. So what go on with the client them? Cause me a scam too.
I was never tell me about the client.
I'm the lead. I'm the sheet. So me give you. Ready now. Ready. Action. Ready. I will listen now because she wide. Yeah, man.
Well, see, but I don't know what you use never.
You know, just see me use it a while ago. You're not blind.
I take out your boss one.
I have my fair share of badness. But what? There's only two places I go bring in. It's either in the cell or jail. Right? Or
No,
you're
I'm
dead.
gonna fix up that. Either cell or a jail.
Is either you go dead
Oh yeah,
or you
cell. Yeah, man.
Right.
As much as me want to fix my foot, I ain't not taking that money.
That's how your foot go get cut off. Why we cut you off? So for your piece of food, you want me to do, boy. You know what? Alright, pick up yourself.
Me no want nothing from you. You little thief in money, dishonest money.
Quite right.
Me no want your dishonest money.
Quite right.
Me no know where you get it from. You come in and smell all high. Come out of me yard.
I will listen to that. Tell me, boy, tell me money I said. You want that one dash money? Yeah, boy, you're so serious.
Oh, if it is real.
You're so serious. You want the money down, you coming back to your account? Javi, more I ask you.
I said, me know, sir, oh no. I said, me know, sir, I don't know worth of money, you know. I said, I don't block. Yeah, but I can take up money. I know I don't need this now because I can't book a next giant and get my money, you know, but man.
Giant or Claire?
Claire, anyone.
Ready?
I see anything there, man.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services in case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event. We can live stream it just for you.